Hi guys, welcome to my first cooking video. Cooking with Desi, this is what I'm gonna call it, okay? Welcome to my kitchen. I am excited to share some of my favorite recipes here with you. I'm gonna do this on a weekly basis, so make sure that you like and subscribe and you comment and you share with everybody that you know, because these recipes are delicious and I want you to try them, so make sure you tag me on if you try them. Today we're gonna be making my famous Mexican chicken tacos. I know you're gonna like them, so get ready because they are delicious. Okay, so I have my chicken already pre-sliced. I like to make it a little bit thinner, so you can do it however you want. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, some smoked, not smoked, chili powder. This is just regular chili powder, okay? Some smoked paprika. I spilled some. This is going so bad. Some garlic. It's all teaspoons, okay? Oregano. And then we are going to add something that I forgot over here. 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, okay? We're going to add half of a lime juice. Perfect. And then we are going to put our chicken in here and just marinate the whole thing all together. Like this, okay? We're going to add some salt. This is probably not the best way in which you should cook, but you know what? That's okay. You do it however you want to do it. And some pepper. And we are going to just marinate the whole thing. And then lastly, we're just going to add some olive oil. And we're going to let it set for 30 minutes in the fridge. And then once that is done, you're gonna bring it out and we're gonna start cooking. So for the corn, we're going to boil some water and then we're just going to add a bag of frozen corn. You can use whichever one you like. And we're going to let that boil a little bit. Okay, so once the corns are all boiled, we're going to drain it and put it back in the pan. And we are just going to roast these things over here for a little while. Yeah, just kind of like this. Make sure that they're nice and toasted. Okay, so once you grill your chicken, we're just going to take it out of the pan and cut it into small pieces. Okay, so now for the corn. After I roasted the corn, I put some cheese on it and I just kind of let it sit for a while. Then I'm gonna go and add some mayo. I personally don't like the taste of regular mayo, so you can use whatever you want, but I am using some vegan mayo. Just because I like the taste a little bit better. We're gonna add some chili powder, as much as you like. You don't have to add that much. Some cayenne pepper. This also includes sour cream, but I don't like sour cream, so we're gonna add something different. And some cilantro. We're gonna add something different in a little bit, so you will get to see what I'm talking about. And then we're just gonna mix the whole thing. I would be careful with the cayenne pepper. I noticed that I probably put a little too much, but I do like spicy, so It's really a look to you. And then we're going to add half of a lime onto here, just to give it some extra kick. I don't add any salt or any pepper or anything like that, just because I already have salt on the tacos, the chicken. And this is our corn, so it should look something like that. Delicious. Okay, so I am going to make a special cilantro garlic cream that's going to go on top of the tacos, and I'm also adding that onto the corn. Okay, so this isn't my original recipe. I actually took this from one of my friends who is a chef. His name is Sergio. I will tag him on here so you can check out his page. If you want to know anything about pizzas, bread, check that out. He is awesome and amazing at what he does. So we're gonna add garlic as much as you like on here. Oh, I forgot my cilantro. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna add our cilantro as much as you like. I like to put a big cup on there. I like to put like 2 big things of garlic. They're already in here. We're going to add the vegan mayo. This is obviously to your preference. You can do this with regular mayo. I am sure it's probably better if you like regular mayo. I don't, so I like to use this one. And everything else, you're going to do it like measuring it with your eye. I guess you could say that. That's what my friend said, at least. Some mustard, some pepper, black pepper, some soy sauce, just a couple drops in there, and we're gonna add salt. And if you don't like the consistency, you can add some olive oil to it, but this is how I do my cilantro garlic cream, and it is delicious. I add it onto everything I eat pretty much. Okay, so the sauce should look like this, just a tad green. And it is so yummy. So yummy. So all of these ingredients, I think you should add them as you please to your own liking. I don't have a desired amount in which I like to add more for each or less for each. So it is all up to you. And then we're gonna come back, we're gonna make our tacos, we're gonna dress them, and then we're done. Okay, so we are back. We're gonna dress our tortillas. I like to use yellow corn tortillas, so we're gonna add some of this chicken on here. Let's see. Let's do this. Okay, I have to cut more of this chicken, but that's okay. I will do it after. Okay. Put some chicken. And don't forget to add that sauce that we just made to the corn. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Then we're going to put some of the corn on top. And it really looks so yummy. I also use some pico de gallo. I like to make my own, but you can also buy it at the grocery store. You can add jalapenos to it. It really depends on how spicy you like your food. I did not use any jalapenos. I used cayenne pepper. But again, you can customize it to your own liking. And once we do that, we are going to add lastly our Queso Fresco, which is Mexican cheese. Personally, I don't like to use like mozzarella cheese or anything like that, but you can do whatever you want. I just think authentically is Teddy's over here. Hi Teddy, you want some chicken tacos, Teddy? To be more authentic, the plate should be with the, here we go, should have the ingredients that are authentic to the culture. I like to use actual Mexican cheese. So yeah, that's it. So here you go. These are the tacos. I don't know if you can see them, but here you go. Oh, you can see my face.